Customer relationship management. Introduction to the module. Winning in e-commerce isn't just about sales, it's about relationships. Customer relationship management, CRM, focuses on nurturing connections, as retaining customers is more cost-effective than acquiring new ones, driving loyalty and long-term success. In this module, you will delve into the customer journey, emphasizing effective customer retention strategies and understanding customer lifetime value. You will also learn how to implement loyalty programs, manage follow-ups, and handle sensitive situations such as refunds, chargebacks, and payment failures. Additionally, we'll cover proven techniques for building lasting relationships that foster trust and loyalty. Learning objectives. By the end of this module, you will be able to understand the phases of the e-commerce customer journey, utilize customer retention strategies effectively, implement loyalty programs and follow-up systems, build trust and loyalty through relationship-building techniques, handle customer complaints effectively to maintain satisfaction. E-commerce customer journey. The e-commerce customer journey is a sequence of steps a shopper takes, from first awareness of a brand to post-purchase loyalty. Sales support is critical at each stage, helping guide potential customers smoothly toward a purchase while ensuring satisfaction throughout their journey. Here's the breakdown of each stage. Awareness. At this stage, potential customers first encounter the brand. Sales support should focus on providing clear product information, live chat and helpful content, FAQs, reviews, to build trust and engagement. Consideration. Customers research and compare products. Sales support plays a key role by offering personalized assistance, answering questions, providing easy-to-navigate product details, and helping customers make informed decisions. Decision. When customers are ready to purchase, sales support should streamline the checkout process, offer promotions or discounts, and ensure that any last-minute concerns, shipping, payment, are addressed promptly. Retention. To keep customers engaged, sales support should follow up with thank you messages, personalized offers, and loyalty programs. Excellent after-sales support encourages repeat purchases and brand loyalty. Advocacy. Satisfied customers can become brand advocates. Sales support can encourage this by prompting reviews, referrals, and social media shares, further boosting brand credibility. Customer retention strategies. Customer retention refers to a company's ability to turn first-time customers into repeat buyers and prevent them from switching to a competitor. While acquiring new customers is important, retaining existing ones is often more cost-effective and profitable. Sales support plays a vital role in this process. Here are some impactful strategies to enhance customer retention. Personalized experiences. Tailoring the shopping experience to individual preferences and purchase history boosts satisfaction and loyalty. Sales support can recommend products, offer exclusive deals, and send personalized messages like birthday discounts. Loyalty programs. Loyalty programs reward customers for repeat purchases, incentivizing them to return. Sales support should highlight the benefits of these programs during customer interactions, encouraging repeat business through discounts or points. Regular communication. Building a community around the brand fosters loyalty. Social media, email newsletters, and online forums allow customers to connect and engage with the brand. Sales support can strengthen these connections by actively participating and offering helpful content. Return and refund. Offer a straightforward returns policy to build trust and satisfaction. Sales support teams should ensure a smooth, hassle-free process, turning potentially negative experiences into positive ones that encourage future loyalty. Exclusive offers. Offer loyal customers exclusive discounts or early product access. Sales support can help manage these initiatives, making customers feel valued and encouraging future purchases. Follow-up and feedback. Regular follow-ups and feedback collection. Drive retention. Sales support should assess satisfaction post-purchase and use feedback to improve experiences, fostering loyalty. Handling sensitive scenarios. Sales support teams in e-commerce are crucial in resolving sensitive situations like refunds, chargebacks, and payment failures. Effectively addressing these challenges is essential for maintaining customer trust, reducing friction, and preventing financial losses. Implementing fraud prevention measures, providing accessible and helpful customer service, and utilizing tools like chargeback alerts can significantly mitigate these issues. By proactively managing these scenarios, businesses can enhance customer satisfaction and protect their revenue streams. Let's break down how to manage these challenges effectively. Refund management. Handling refund requests requires a clear and transparent policy to guide the customer and the support team. Sales support staff should be familiar with the company's refund terms and ensure they can explain them clearly to customers. Here's what you need to focus on. Clear policy. Ensure refund policies are transparent and accessible to customers. Prompt resolution. Acknowledge and process. Refund requests quickly, offering alternatives like exchanges or store credit when applicable. Investigate thoroughly. Review product conditions and customer feedback to ensure fair resolution. Effective communication. Use empathetic and clear communication to explain the refund process. Chargebacks. Chargebacks are one of the most challenging scenarios in e-commerce. They occur when customers dispute a charge and their bank reverses the payment. This can lead to financial losses and affect your merchant account. Here's how to handle them. Understand the reason. Investigate the reason behind the chargeback. Fraud, dissatisfaction. This will guide you in approaching the situation. Gather evidence. Collect proof, delivery confirmation, to dispute unjustified chargebacks. Communicate with payment providers. Work with payment processors to resolve the dispute. Preventative measures. Implement fraud detection tools, accurate descriptions, and secure payment methods to reduce chargebacks. Resolving payment failures. Payment failures happen due to insufficient funds, technical issues, or incorrect payment details. They can cause frustration, but with a quick, thoughtful approach, these problems can be resolved. To address these issues effectively, diagnose issues and communicate clearly. Identify the cause of the payment failure. Bank declines, technical issues, or incorrect details. Promptly inform the customer, guide them to update payment information, or offer alternatives, all while maintaining patience and empathy. Optimize the payment process. Regularly test and enhance the system to ensure compatibility across devices and browsers. Payment options, such as credit debit cards and digital wallets, can reduce the likelihood of payment failures. Consistent monitoring of payment gateways helps prevent technical issues. Building effective customer relationships. Establishing strong customer relationships is vital for long-term success in e-commerce sales support. Prompt and responsive communication, whether via live chat, email, or social media, is essential, as customers expect quick and efficient assistance. Personalized interactions, such as tailored product recommendations and exclusive promotions, enhance engagement and foster trust. Providing seamless multi-channel support ensures customers can easily access help, improving their overall experience. Proactive support, including order updates and post-purchase care, helps prevent issues before they arise and reassures customers. Transparency in product details, shipping timelines, and company policies further strengthens trust. By prioritizing responsiveness, personalization, proactive service, and transparency, e-commerce businesses can cultivate lasting customer relationships that drive loyalty and growth. Complaint navigation and resolution. Effectively managing customer complaints is essential for maintaining strong relationships in e-commerce. When handled properly, a complaint can be transformed into an opportunity to build customer loyalty and trust. Here's how to approach it. Quick response time. Customers expect a fast resolution. Responding within 24 hours, ideally sooner, helps prevent complaints from escalating. Active listening. When a customer complains, listen carefully. Acknowledge their concerns and show that you understand their frustration. This simple step can help reduce tension. Empathy and apology. Showing empathy and offering a sincere apology can make a big difference. Even if the issue is not resolved immediately, letting the customer know you care about their experience helps build trust. Clear communication of next steps. After understanding the complaint, clearly explain what will happen next. Whether it involves an investigation, a refund, or a replacement, keeping the customer informed helps them feel more confident. Resolution and follow-up. After resolving the complaint, check in with the customer. A follow-up message or email thanking them for their patience can help reinforce the relationship. Highlights from this module. From this module, you have learned the following points. The e-commerce customer journey spans from awareness to advocacy, with sales support enhancing customer satisfaction at each stage. Personalization, follow-ups, and loyalty programs are essential for customer retention and long-term success. Transparent management of refunds, chargebacks, and payment failures is crucial for maintaining trust and reducing financial loss. Strong customer relationships are built through personalized experiences, a consistent brand voice, and an omni-channel approach. Effective complaint management with empathy and timely resolution can convert negative experiences into trust-building opportunities. Thank you. You have successfully made it to the end of this module.